If you are watching this video right now, it is probably because you've been thinking about publishing a book on Amazon KDP for a while now. Maybe you've done some research, maybe even watched a few videos, or even started designing the book, but never hit publish. I just came to let you know that if this video found its way to you today, then you're ready to take the next step. So let's talk about 5 things to get you started so you can go on and publish your book and make these next steps happen. Stay with me to the end though. All right, so if you're just at the beginning and it was just a thought in your mind or you've seen a few videos, then the first thing that I want you to do is go ahead and pick your niche. So this means that you are picking the book type or the topic of your book. So for example, do you want to publish a coloring book, a journal, or even an activity book or a children's book? The fastest way to get started is by breaking it down into little bitty steps so that you're not overwhelming yourself and then making you feel like, God, maybe this is too much, or maybe I'm in over my head, or I need to put it off some more. We're going to break it down into small steps so that you can do at least one step each day for the next 5 days. And if you're really, really ready, you can go on and do one step right now, on your lunch break, after dinner tonight, or even before you go to bed. So you got your niche. Now you're going to research what types of books are already selling in this particular niche. So you got to do a little homework. Go to Amazon, type in the search bar, your book's topic. Once you start typing your book's topic, you're going to notice that you're going to see a drop-down menu. These are a list of terms that people are already searching for that are related to your book's topic. So if you go and you type in your book's topic, make sure you also go ahead and write down these keyword phrases because you can use them later when you're doing more research or even in your book's title or subtitle. Now, if you're anything like me, I actually like physical books to write my ideas down in, and my publishing planner is great with walking you through that whole process. So you can grab that in the link in the description. But you do want to make sure that you do your research to see what books people are already buying so that you don't waste your time creating this type of book if people are not already actively buying this type of book. Now, when I created my coloring book, I actually hired a designer. So I have a brand called Entrepreneurs Color 2. For those coloring books under that brand, I hired an illustrator to create those types of books. So you can see the images are really crisp, black and white, no grayscale. However, we now have the power of using AI. So if you do not want to hire an illustrator or you can't find an illustrator, then you can create your images yourself using tools like Midjourney or Canva AI. Now, if you don't know where to start with design, I do have a free step-by-step course that walks you through the process of creating a coloring book using Canva AI. And it is the exact same process that you can also use using ChatGPT's AI. But these are all simple tools that anyone can use even as a beginner. So step number 4, you're going to go to kdp.amazon.com. Amazon KDP makes it easy to upload your book, and you can upload your book for absolutely free. The key is just getting it done and learning as you go. Step 5 is going to be promoting and getting book sales. So this is one of the main reasons that you want to make sure your book is set up correctly and that people are searching for your type of book. I dive deeper into this process in this video, and I'll leave that link in the description for you to check out next. But essentially, setting your book up correctly from the beginning heightens the chances that you can make organic sales for your book. But marketing is still going to be key for your book, no matter if you are making organic sales. So marketing is exactly what I show you in this video. So look, it's 2025. We are getting that book out this year. I know you guys love YouTube. I do too. You know how we're always consuming content and watching other people's videos. But listen, I want you to go ahead and stop consuming content and start creating. I have a bunch of free resources and step-by-step tutorials, as well as courses available at Book Bag University, which is the same place that you can grab your publishing planner. So if you are serious about making money on Amazon KDP, check out the links in my description so you can go ahead and start publishing your book today. Now go ahead and comment below and let me know if you're finally ready to hit that publish button. Don't forget, if you like this type of content, make sure you like and subscribe so that I know to keep putting out more content like this. Until next time, bye-bye.